So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD, then you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. We can run this in the background as we complete the next steps in the video, so you just want to minimize this. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you run this on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you're going to find the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. And then once you find that, you're going to right click on it and then click on Properties and then click on Tools and then click on Check and then click on Scan Drive. You want to run this scan. And then once you've done that, now you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health and click on enter. Now you want to run this final scan. Once you complete this final scan, you then want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.